Good morning. Today is March 11th. It's currently 45 degrees here in Michigan. The high today will be around 52 degrees. But I'm just out here enjoying the sunrise across the lake. You can hear the geese all making a crap ton of noise, telling me good morning. But I could get used to this. That's definitely for sure. There was actually a time when I actually grew up on the lake. Not this one, but a different one. And it's some of my best times. Oh, but yeah, look at this. The only thing missing are cactus. I love cactus. But good morning.